Welcome to aminacademy.com. In strength of material regarding shear force and bending moments, let us discuss about types of beams. Look at these figures. It shows some types of beams. First one, a cantilever. A cantilever is a beam which is fixed at one end and free at the other end. So it's called a cantilever beam. Second one, simply supported beam. A beam is supported or resting freely on the supports at the both ends. Is freely supported or resting on both ends. Next one, overhang beam. Here it is also a simply supported beam, but beam length is extended both side left and right for some length. It's called a overhang beam. Next one, continuous beam. Here it's also a simply supported beam, but the simply supporting are more than 2 points. That means here there are 4 supports are there, which is that beam is resting on this support. It's a continuous beam. Next one, fixed ended. That means the beam is fixed at both end. So it's not a simply supported beam, but it is a fixed at both ends. Next one, cantilever but simply supported. Here it's a cantilever beam as well as at one end is simply supported. Now let us discuss about the loading on the beam. First one, concentrated or point load. Here look at this beam. It says fixed support beam, and at the center of the beam it is a concentrated load is acting vertically downwards. Next one, it's a fixed beam, but the load is uniformly distributed, which means at each meter length of the beam the load is same. It's everywhere the load is evenly distributed. Next one, uniformly varying load. Here the beam is fixed at both end, but the load concentration is uniformly varying from one end to another end. This also, next one is a fixed beam but uniformly varying load from center point. From center point the load variation is reducing to left end, and as well as load concentration is varying linearly to the right end. Now further, more number of beams and different types of loading also there, and in further videos we will discuss about shear force and bending moments diagram, how to draw it, and we will discuss in further videos. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.